Now we're going to be looking at 10 practices. The first one is to sort your goals by time. Your short-term goal should be between 0 to 12 months, your medium-term goal is between 1 to 3 years, and your long-term goal is from 3 years and above. Second step or practice is to add a price buffer. Put a 10 to 20% buffer on targets to cover price increases in 2025 and above. Number 3 is to calculate monthly amount. Your target divided by months before your deadline equals to what you should save monthly. But then you can add 5 to 10% extra to that for safety. Then the fourth practice is to match the right plan or fund. For short-term plans, there should be savings or money markets, that is, it gives you fast access and lower risk. So for short-term, save it in your savings or your money market. Then for medium-term goals or plan, so mix your savings. You can save it in the money market. You can also use it for bonds. This will give you small equity for growth. Then long-term funds, it gives you more equity for growth. So what you do is put some in bonds, add the dollar fund slice to protect your value. The number 5, automate each plan separately. Set autosave for every plan so each goal grows on its own. Number 6, so I add the 6th practice now. Lock critical goals. Goals like rent, tuition, or home deposit should have lock or maturity dates to prevent early spending. 7, quarterly review and reforecast. Always update targets if prices changed. Adjust monthly autosaves to stay on track. Then 8, use spillover. When one plan hits 100%, move it autosave to the next most important plan immediately. Number 9, add purpose notes and a photo. A simple reason and image keeps you emotionally focused on those plans. Then lastly, share progress with a trusted person. You can send monthly screenshots of your top 2 goals. You can send monthly screenshots of your first 2 goals or your top 2 goals because accountability increases follow through. It's as simple as that.